Good evening, welcome to Primetime News. I'm Anupama Suvarna and right now the headlines. Nath cult, the first to oppose Hindu caste system, Professor Pujari. Sakala very successful in Dakshina Kannada, statistics indicate the fact. Husband missing, wife seeks police help. Professor Tukaram Pujari, president of Rani Abbakka Tulu Adhyayana Kendra, said that the Nath was the first to oppose the Hindu caste system. Addressing the seminar on the social contributions of the Nath sect at Kadri Manjunatha temple. Stating that history is better understood while taking into consideration monuments and folk literature, that the history constructed on the basis of manuscripts need not necessarily be accurate. He voiced his opinion that history must be traced by taking into consideration various other materials and especially by studying folk literature. Speaking on the necessity to conduct a study on the Nath sect at Kadri temple, he said that the historians will discover many interesting facts by studying the environment around Kadri. Dr. P. Keshavanath, Dean of Fisheries College, presided over a session and lauded the Nath sect for contributing to communal harmony. That documents are available to prove the presence of the Nath sect in countries such as Afghanistan, Pakistan and Tibet.
ಅವು ಓವು ಅದೇ ನೀನಾಗುವಿಂದ ಶಿವೋಹಂ ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಉಂಟು ಐತ ಬಗೆಟ್ಟು ಆ ಜೀವಾತ್ಮ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನ ಸೇರುವಿಕೆ ಓವುಂಡ ಐತ ಬಗೆತ ತತ್ವನ ಪತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಾಥ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ ಈ ನಾಥ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದ ಬೊಕೊಂಜಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂದ್ಕೆಂಡ ಅಕ್ಲ ಹಠ ಯೋಗಿಗಳು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪದಾರುಂಟು ಅಕ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಅತೀಂದ್ರಿಯವಾಯಿನ ಶಕ್ತಿನ ಕರಗತ ಮನ್ಪುಣಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಅಕ್ಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಡು ಅಕ್ಲ ನಡವಳಿಕೆ ತುನಂಗ ನಂಗೊಂತೆ ಭಯ ಆಪುಂಡು ಅಕ್ಲೊಂತೆ ಗೌರವಳ್ಳೇರ ನಮ್ಮನಂತೆ ಪೋಡಿಪವರ ದಾನ ಅಂದ್ ಅಕ್ಲ ನಮೂನೆ ಹಂಚೆ ಉಂಡು ಅಕ್ಲ ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು ಹಂಚೆ ಉಂಡು ಐತ ಉಳೈಡ್ ಆತ್ಮತತ್ವದ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಉಂಟು ಎಡೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ಆಪು ನಿಂಪಿನ ಗೋರಖ್ ಪುರದು ಬಹುಶಃ ಐತ ಮೂಲ ಹಂಚಿಡ್ದು ಬರ್ಪನೆ ನೇಪಾಳದ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಂಡೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಕ್ಕಿರು ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಬಾಗುಡು ದೇಶದ ಬಾಗುಡು ನಾಥ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯದಕ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಲ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ತ ಅರಸಿರಿ ವಿಟ್ಲ ಅರಸಿರಿ ದಾನೆ ಮಲ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ ನಾಥ ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯಕ್ಲೆಗೆ 101 ಎಕರೆ ಜಾಗೇನು ದಾನ ಗುರುಪಾಯರು దానికే ಮೂಲ ಮಠ ಕಟ್ಟದು ಕುಳ್ಳೆ ಎಂದು ಕರವಳಿದ ಗುಣ ಆತನ ಮಡ.
Karnataka Guarantee of Services to Citizens Act or Sakala promises citizens 151 services spanning 11 major government departments within a specific period. Puttur was one of the first taluks in which Sakala was launched on a pilot basis, and in the very first month it got 9,925 applications. Every month, the number of applications pouring in is increasing. Statistics indicate that in April, there was 50,820 Sakala applications and in May, there were 64,242 applications. In July, the number shot up to 67,503 applications and in August, 77,947 were received all over Dakshina Kannada. The number of applications received this month before September 18 is 38,594. The applications have been disposed of just as quickly. In March, 8,332, in April, 25,097, in June, 63,482, in July, 66,782, in August, 70,313, and in September, 25,097 applications were disposed. Speaking about the statistics, DC Dr. N.S. Chennappa Gowda said that so far no official in Dakshina Kannada has been fined for not disposing applications on time, but 4 have been issued notices demanding an explanation for unnecessary delay, adding that the delay was due to technical reasons. He said that the disposal rate of Sakala applications in Dakshina Kannada is 93%. Nityananda Pai, convener of Puttur Balakedarara Hitarakshana Vedike said that although Sakala is a great scheme enabling people to get government services without harassment, voicing a similar opinion, Nagarika Hitarakshana Samiti President Hanumant Kamath said that the most people are still not aware of Sakala. Now take a short commercial break. Husband missing, wife seeks police help.